Hello traders, hello friends. Welcome again to my channel. I'm Coach Jay. And of course, for today's video, let's check the chart of NZD-USD dahil tomorrow, 10 o'clock a.m., so Wednesday, merong high impact sa NZD, which is the official cash rate and RVNZ rate statement. So very important to dahil interest rate ito. Alright, so let's begin. Okay, so here in the monthly time frame, as you can see, price just bounced from this historical demand level and support, okay? So if ganito yung situation, may possibility na mag-continue to the upside ang NZD-USD and i-reach niya itong nearest resistance na to, okay? So sa monthly, bullish tayo. And then let's move on to the weekly time frame. Okay, kita natin na nag-shift siya from downtrend, okay, to an uptrending market, okay? So, currently ang price ay nasa correction phase ng market. Alright? So, if mapapansin nyo, if you can notice, no, meron ditong pattern which is the inverted head and shoulders pattern, okay? So, inverted head and shoulders pattern is a bullish price action pattern, okay? So, therefore, may possibility talaga na okay, na mag-move ang price to the upside. Alright? So, even the weekly time frame is bullish. Now, let's move on to the daily time frame. Okay, and let us focus only to the current price action, okay? So, as you can see, meron tayo dito W formation. O, pag W formation, most of the time ay binabalikan niya itong neckline na to. Okay? Yan. So, ito yung neckline nitong W. So, therefore, magkakaroon muna tayo ng move to the downside para i-retest niya itong neckline ng W formation. This is the previous resistance. Possible na mag-act as support. Okay? Very powerful itong W and M formation dahil talagang binabalikan niya yung price. Let's check the historical pattern. No, ito. This one is the So, i-check natin. So, ito, di ba, this is the information and kita nyo, binalikan talaga, binabalikan itong neckline na to. Okay? And then, another, ito rin, this is the W formation. Okay? And kita nyo, binalikan niya itong neckline. Okay? So, talagang, this price action pattern is very powerful. Alright? So, therefore, now na nakakita tayo ulit ng W formation, expect the price na magkaroon ng short term na downtrend para balikan itong neckline and then a continuation to the upside. Okay? So, tomorrow, i-check natin yung magiging reaction niya. Okay? Since malapit na siya dito sa neckline. Ayan. And syempre, i-check naman natin yung COT report kung talagang nag-a-add ang mga big institutions ng kanilang mga long orders na to dahil malapit na dito sa may demand level. Alright? And ito yung COT report ng NCD. Again, kinuha ko lang sa my tradingstir.com. And also, syempre, meron na akong summary niyan. So as you can see, we went from having negative 13,547 na net position all the way up to 30,743. Okay, so even dito sa COT report ay nagmo-move ang mga big institutions from bearish to bullish side. Yan. So, okay, so let's check the H4 time frame. Okay, so dito sa H4 time frame, kita talaga na from downtrend, ayan, nag-shift na siya to uptrending market. Okay? So, syempre sa ngayon wala pang confirmation. Okay, dahil if we will look closely ay unti-unti pa siyang bumababa. Okay, so syempre hintayin natin siyang pumunta dito sa ating level and maghintay ng confirmation candle. Alright, so maybe, ayan. So, syempre depende na rin sa strategy nyo kung paano kayo nagte-trade. Okay, so ako, check ko na siya before the news and after the news. Okay, so before the news, pwede akong maglagay ng aking pending order. Alright, so yun lang. Thank you very much and I hope marami ulit kayo natutunan sa video na ito. Bye-bye!